Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you out if you have a Samsung oven and you're getting an SE error on your oven. So what is it and how to get rid of it? So the SE error is basically a button error. It means that the control panel is not sensing the signal properly from one or more of the buttons on the oven. So there's two things this could possibly be. It could be actually a button problem, or it could be a control board problem. So the first thing to do would be to check the wiring and everything on all the buttons and make sure all the wiring is intact and going to the control board properly. If all that looks good, it may be the control board that needs to be replaced. So I mean, if you check both of those things and you're able to find the problem, you should be able to get rid of this SE error, which is linked to the buttons malfunctioning. And if you might need to call out for a technician to do this. But anyways, hope this helped you at least figure out what's going on with your oven. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.